If you're experiencing billing problems with Bank of America, follow these steps to address and resolve the issues effectively. Step 1. Review your statement. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents, including your bank statements, receipts, and any correspondence related to the billing issue. This information will be crucial when you contact customer service. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call Bank of America's customer service at the number provided on their website with your bank statement. Be prepared to explain your issue clearly and provide any documentation you have gathered. Step 4. Follow up in writing. If the issue is not resolved over the phone, send a written complaint to Bank of America's customer service. Include your account details, a description of the problem, and copies of any supporting documents. Step 5. Escalate the issue. If you still do not receive a satisfactory resolution, consider escalating the matter. You can ask to speak with a supervisor or file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau (CFPB) for further assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems with Bank of America. Remember to keep records of all communications for future reference.